Hi all, today I've made chicken roast in a cooker with the ingredients that are easily available at home. This chicken roast tastes delicious with all Indian breads. The brining the chicken will help to add moisture so that the chicken stays juicier when roasted. For every liter of water, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of salt. Ensure that salt completely dissolves before addition of chicken. Time to place a whole chicken which has gaseous. Rest it for 15 to 20 minutes and turn this once or twice over. Till then, let's make a masala for the chicken. Ingredients: you need few fresh coriander leaves, medium size half tomato, 6 big garlic cloves, medium size half onion, 2 green chilies, and 1.5 tablespoon of curd and 2 inch of fresh ginger. No need to add water. Make a fine paste. Chicken has been pulled out of brine solution and washed under running water. Keep it in a strainer for 10 minutes. If any extra water, it comes out. Pat it dry with the tissue or with a clean towel. In a plate, add marination masala. Now add the spice powder. Add 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 3/4 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and half tablespoon of pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and half big lime. If it is small, take 1 lime. Add salt to taste and mix it well. Now run the marinade all over the chicken and make sure it goes into every gash. You can keep this marinated chicken in a refrigerator for overnight or 2-3 hours. I have kept the chicken in a freezer for 1 hour. In a 5-liter cooker, I have added 3 tablespoons of oil and kept the marinated chicken in a cooker. The chicken I have taken is 1.4 kg. Cooking time 5 minutes in medium flame, 25 minutes in low flame. If your chicken is small, that is 1 kg or 1.2 kg, then keep it in low flame for 20 minutes. You can see the chicken has released the juice. You can use the fork or a knife to check whether the chicken is cooked or not. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil and add the chicken. Now roast the chicken all the side. Flip it 3 to 4 times to get a good roasted chicken. Use 2 spoons to turn the chicken, otherwise the chicken will break. Now the chicken is well roasted. Now keep the chicken aside. The pan I used, the bottom was getting burned, so I am using the other pan. But if your pan is good and there is no burnt remains, then use the same pan to do further cooking. In a pan, add oil and add few curry leaves, 2 green chilies, and 2 big size onion chopped long and thin. Add salt and saute it for a minute. Now add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and saute till the raw smell leaves. Now add half tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and saute it for a minute. Now add medium sized tomato, 1.5 chopped. Cook it till the onion becomes soft. Now add finely chopped coriander leaves. Then add the whole chicken. and add the remaining chicken stock. Cook the chicken in this masala. Tie the leg of a chicken so that it stays intact. Juicy and tasty chicken is ready. Hope you all like the recipes I'm sharing. If you like my video, please do consider to like and subscribe. Stay safe and have a wonderful, blessed day. Thanks for watching.